Why are so many Zimbabweans skeptical about 2028? Here's why Mnangagwa's promise isn't convincing everyone. Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa says he'll step down in 2028, but not everyone is buying it. After coming to power in 2017, following the ousting of Robert Mugabe, Mnangagwa has been accused of consolidating power and weakening democratic institutions. Even within his party, ZANU-PF, some voices call for him to extend his rule beyond the constitutional two-term limit. Mnangagwa insists he'll respect the constitution, but many Zimbabweans remain skeptical, fearing he might pull the "people want me to stay" card or pass the torch to his son instead of Vice President Chiwenga. As 2028 approaches, some say he didn't decline the offer. He had no option but to pretend to reject the offer. It's passing the constitution hurdles that stood in his way, and more importantly, resistance from Chiwenga and some sections of the military and war veterans. He has Plan B anyway. The Madifi dynasty. Only time will tell if Mnangagwa sticks to his word or if this is just another political play. Stay informed, Zimbabwe. The future depends on it.